You are watching Kidiez World TV. Hello and welcome to my channel Kidiez World TV. How are you friends? I hope you all are fine. Today in our Kidiez TV World Ground, we will review some sea animals and some wild animals. Sea animals, everyone's favorite, and wild animal, kids love wild animal. As we can see, this seahorse, starfish. So these are the new addition, the new toys added in our mud ground. So this will be very interesting video. So please like the video and subscribe the channel. Let's go. Seal. Number one, we have the seal. Seal is a beautiful sea animal. Small one and very adorable sea animal. Seal. And next we have stingray. The interesting thing about stingray, its tail, which is very, very long. Stingray. And the next we have is a seahorse. Seahorse is a sea animal. Seahorse is a type of fish, and the smallest seahorse is just about 14 mm long. Seahorse. And the next we have is an alligator, a wild animal. Alligator have very big mouth with a very sharp teeth. Alligator. The next we have is a dolphin. Very friendly and very cute sea fish. Dolphin. And the next we have is a whale, the biggest fish of sea and very heavy in size. Whale. And next we have is very interesting. And next we have is starfish. Starfish can regenerate their own arms and they have no brain or blood. Starfish have eyes. Starfish. And the next we have is a lobster. Lobster is a sea animal and very delicious seafood as well. Lobster. And the next we have is an octopus. Let me tell you some interesting fact about octopus, that octopus have 3 hearts. Yes, it's true. And octopus have blue blood. Octopus. And the next we have is a frog. Frog is a very interesting animal. Frog can drink water through their skin, and frogs are found in all over the world. Frog. And the next we have is a walrus. Walrus is a sea animal and very heavy in size. The scientist says the adult walrus weight can be around 1 metric ton. Walrus. And the next we have a turtle. Turtle is a very slow moving but very interesting animal. It has a very hard shell, and one more thing about turtle, they have a very long life. They can live up to 100 years. Turtle. And now we have some wild animal. Elephant. Elephant is a wild and African animal, and this is the most heaviest animal right now on the planet Earth. And by diet, elephants are herbivorous. Elephant. And here comes the crab. Crab is also very delicious seafood, and crab is a sea animal. Crab. And the next we have is a polar bear. Polar bear are very heavy in size, and these are basically omnivorous. Polar bear. And the next we have is a whale. Very big and very heavy fish of the sea. Whale. And the next wild animal is hyena. Hyena is like a dog, small wild animal, and by diet they are omnivorous. Hyena. And the next innocent and beautiful wild animal is a kangaroo. Kangaroo is basically an ocean animal. They move on two legs, and by diet these are herbivorous. Kangaroo. And next we have is a tiger. Tiger is a very beautiful wild cat with the black straps all over their body. By diet, these are omnivorous with very sharp teeth. Tiger. The next we have is antelope, the innocent and cute animal of wild. Antelopes are herbivorous by diet, and these are very cute animals. Antelope. The next we have a horse. Horse is a farm and a pet animal, and horses are very intelligent and loyal animal, and they can run very fast. By diet, horses are herbivorous. Horse. And in last we have this beautiful sea animal, penguin. Penguin is very adorable and cute animal which move on their two legs, but she can also swim in deep and cold water. Penguin. I hope you like the video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel for further notification for upcoming videos. Thank you for watching friends. Take care.